This is ASUS's latest gamer notebook, the ASUS ROG STRIX SCAR 2, based on the latest 8th gen Intel Core i processor family. Let's have a look. First, let's start with the specs. This particular model comes with an 8th gen Intel Core i7 8750H CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 VGA, 15 inches Full HD IPS display with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time. Storage-wise, it has a 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD for your operating system and additional programs and games for fast loading and response time, and a 1TB regular HDD for extra storage space. As for RAM, it comes with a massive 32GB of DDR4 memory. I don't think I ever used that much, but still, it is a good option if you plan to use it for an extra memory-intense programs. Port selections are good. Most of the ports are on the left, which is better for us as an external mouse may be used on the right and no cables will interfere. We have a regular USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A port, an SD card reader and Kensington lock. On the left we find a DC jack, LAN port, mini display port 1.2, HDMI 2.0, two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C and the combo audio jack. No Thunderbolt 3 connection with the USB-C, so if you plan to use it with an external GPU, this is not an option with this model. The display is great. It is a 144Hz refresh rate Full HD display with a very good 3 milliseconds response time, an average of 330 nits maximum brightness, and with a good contrast, its color reproduction is very good. Its display covers 96% of sRGB and 72% of NTSC. The 66 Wh battery is slightly bigger than its older brothers, the GL504, but don't expect any significant changes. For standard web browsing and casual gaming, your maximum bet is around 2.5 hours of battery life. The display brightness was set at 50%, the Wi-Fi was on and the keyboard backlit was also off. With this you can save a ton of battery life. Speaking of keyboard backlit, this model has a 4-zone full RGB backlit keyboard with Aura Sync support. If you have an additional Aura Sync accessories, you can sync them up and be prepared for the RGB light fest. Anyway, the keys are really good. Typing on, it's excellent. If you plan to use it in a purely typing, you don't have to worry about it. It is really that good. Gaming on it might be a bit strange, and if you plan to play a lot, maybe an external keyboard will be a better choice, but still. As for the performance, usually games set it up at high as a default setting. You can also crank it up more and still a good 60 FPS is easily reachable. Although be ready that this machine can be very loud if you plan to use it at really high settings, and the two new 12 volts fans should keep it cool enough, yet the fan noise can be an issue for some. As always, if you have any questions regarding this product, just ask it in the comment section below and we'll try to answer all of them. And also, if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel to bring you more awesome tech reviews for you. Thank you and have a nice day.